I no must worry, Whisper. I don't know that youth are from nowhere and him call out my name and know him silent. Him plead the fifth.
And what about Chase?
Same thing. Him not talk.
You know if Bossy are going to the meeting later?
Mr. Mullins tell her to take a couple days off. She need the time.
What about Celine?
She gone back on fair assignment.
So that means me and you responsible for a full report.
Yep.
Regardless of why not it. At least we catch two of them. So I feel like if you have to beat up yourself.
The same thing Bubba said to me. But somebody get hurt on my watch. And I don't know if my identity out yet.
I think if I put in a request and make Mr. Mullins make you do the interrogation.
I don't even know how that go. Roberto get hurt, so might as well come off of the case completely.
You want to come after the case after you read so far?
No, but I just save myself. I get the feeling he might tell me that.
You have to firmer than that, T. Make the request and take it from there. So you have more inside knowledge than anyone away. Who else am I going to make do it?
Alright. I'm going to make the request. But if him not throw me out. Because he will go in at every details to see what we do wrong.
You see why it's always important to have a contingency. Like Murphy's law. Anything can go wrong, will go wrong.
Why on the day me choose to do the ops? Vicious in a town and look something for his son. And that mess up everything, you know?
No, not really. We know say Vicious do me and everything, but remember say Roberto, I'm running in the wrong direction. I'm run from the car.
And that Mr. Mullins are going to look into now. So I choose a rookie to go up on the ops.
Alright, hear me say. You make a decision, someone you stand by it. Just find a justification for all of the mistakes there. That's all you have to do.
Justification? Whisper, the man going to tell me some I find justification for foolishness.
Alright. What you say go wrong yesterday when you concerned.
One, we should have made Bubbles park across the road. Two, we should have make you the closer so you can reach Roberta before them. And three, we should have look out for Chase. Because Roberta did already tell me said Chase I got trail him for see him work.
One condition.
I have no idea. Because Mr. Moore is not giving information. You get the same message when you get?
Yeah. So for me, half an hour earlier.
Alright. Let's do this.
Let me get this straight. I'm going to tell you what I'm understanding. Feel free to stop me at any point where you think I'm going wrong. You were running an operation to apprehend the perpetrators of this grab cell phone ring. And in doing so, you made a very convincing argument to put in somebody undercover. This person happens to be someone who was in detention because he is of Haitian descent and was very, very good at giving us trouble once he had an M16 or an AK-47 in his hand. We managed to apprehend him, take him off the streets, interrogate him, put him safely away in a detention center. But you somehow put forward a case to take him out of that detention center, put him under cover with the cell phone stealing ring, set up an operation led by you in Spanish Town, of all places. Now I'm made to understand that not only did this operation go south, the individual we were just talking about is in a medical facility fighting for his life.
His situation is critical, sir.
When last you go to church, I would suggest you go pray for him. I would love to know what was the protocols that were observed. I'm taking it that there were protocols. And how it went south.
Whisper was on point. Bubbles was our driver. Celine was our decoy. And I was overseeing.
Sir, I must admit that everything was going according to plan. The timing was right, and the place wasn't crowded.
And all of a sudden, there was police vehicles and funerals.
Really no. Tell me, in all this glorious pre-planning and thing, anybody factored in that it was a day when there would be quite a number of funerals up at Dovecot and Meadowrest, and you know what goes with funerals when it's going through there, right? Police.